In today's training, we are going to be reviewing the lump sum need insight, which answers a slightly different question. How much would I need as a one-time amount to fully fix this plan? So to go to the insights, we will just click on the insights section and use the search tool to find lump sum savings. We'll select this and we'll go ahead and get started. So the lump sum savings, it's a required amount at a specific point in the timeline to eliminate any future shortfalls. So the lump sum is first used to cover expenses in that year, and any remaining amount is placed into a needs analysis account. As we can see, this plan requires a lump sum amount of over $2 million to prevent the shortfall that was occurring in the plan originally. So let's look at the compare plan in this. So we can see that it's preventing a shortfall of $396,000 in that third year in their passive retirement ages. We can also look in the year view. And if we just go over to our investments tab, we will be able to see this needs analysis account, and we'll find that original number that is needed to prevent the shortfall in the plan. And as we scroll through the plan, we can see how it's growing at that rate. And then once we get into the years where the shortfall is happening, it will then allow you to see what amount is covering those shortfall years and when it stops, which it stops needing that lump sum at age 80 in the plan or year 2048. It's also worth noting that this account does grow based on the plan's default investment growth rate, which is the 5.5%. You don't want to change that. You can change that in plan settings. But this is a really good opportunity to talk with your clients if this is an option for them to prevent shortfall in their plan. If you do have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to support.